morning, guys, and welcome to another day of the vlog. It is the last day that I have before I leave tomorrow to India. Today might just be a daily vlog or like a day in the life vlog. Tomorrow I'm gonna probably start my India vlog, which will be a whole separate thing. Honey, do you have to go to the bathroom? You gotta go poo-poo? You gotta go take a little stinky stink? Okay, I already made breakfast. It's about 1:20 in the afternoon today. I have a couple things to do today. I have to pack. I have some items that I tie-dyed in the last couple vlogs that have been sitting in their tie-dye for literally way too long, like probably 48 hours. Riley is coming over in the next like 30 minutes to an hour. We're gonna shoot a video for his channel, so we're gonna like collab today. And I also bought a new camera, so that's super exciting. So I think we might, if we have time, play around with the camera and shoot some photos. I wanna show you guys the camera that I bought. Come with me. This is my camera. This is my new camera. It is a Leica. I never thought I would own a Leica camera, but now I own two, which is insane. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I broke my favorite film camera. No, it's not my favorite film camera, but it was a really, really special camera that I loved a lot. Okay, let me just tell you, if you shoot film, and you want a really nice point and shoot, Contax T2 is the one, but they break super easily, and I knew that. Everyone told me they break super easily. I knew what I was getting myself into. I'm not gonna break it though. Like, it breaks super easily, but I'm not going to break it. The other day, I was looking for my keys on a busy street, and I was stressed because cars were like flying by me. The Contax drops out of my backpack, hits the concrete. I was really planning on shooting all of my photos with the Contax, but since the Contax broke, I needed an option. I've only had this camera for a day. I really love it. So I'm gonna shoot some photos with it today and show you guys what happens. Other than that, that's the day. Look at all the clothes I've been avoiding washing. Today I'm wearing these overalls from Hurley, and then I'm just wearing a white top that I've had for literally 4 years now underneath. That's my outfit. Riley's here.
Hello.
Hey.
I'm raiding your pantry.
Let's talk about Riley's outfit. When did you become a cowboy?
I don't know. It's like my thing now.
What? I think we should go get
refer
smoothies.
to the Ubatuba. Do you hate Ubatuba?
I hate Ubatuba. Sorry.
Just
no
close.
cap. Oh my god! We're gonna go to Sun Life and we're gonna go get some smoothies. Oh, come look at the tie-dye. This tie-dye has been baking outside for 48 hours.
That is so good.
That's gonna look so good.
It's such a good girl. Tie-dye queen.
And I made these pants. Wait.
These pants are really good. B-roll. Why are there so many? Why are there so many? Mukbang. Trisha paid us who?
Riley, tell us about your metal straw.
I keep it with me everywhere I go, and I put it in my smoothie. Do you have an issue with that? It's a bit hard to suck right now, but I'm saving the planet. This is just destroying the planet. This paper straw here. Good job.
Yeah, but that you can't even get the thing through.
It's working.
No, it's not. We have an issue.
I'm trying to blow it out the other end.
How's your metal straw?
Oh.
Ew. How's it going?
Not very good. I might have to go get a paper. I'm a fraud, but I can blend in.
Just left Sun Life and now I'm gonna go into Sephora because I need to buy some eyebrow stuff for India tomorrow.
Ooh.
But I don't know what brand I'm gonna go with because Anastasia runs out so quick. Right, Riley?
I would think.
I walked in here with a backpack the other week and everyone was like, sketch the frick out.
Really?
I'm like, I'm not gonna steal anything from Sephora, guys. Calm down.
I'm trying to save the planet.
Okay, so now we're heading into Target because I need to get tampons, oil blotting sheets, and detergent for the washer dryer.
Ooh.
Because I need to wash my clothes.
Which one tastes the best? What I eat in a day? Tide Pods.
Okay guys, so I always use Playtex Sport tampons, but today, for the first time, I think I'm gonna get a more eco-friendly option. I'm nervous. I've never switched my tampons since I was like in high school.
These ones.
Those ones look pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
If you guys use organic tampons, please comment down below which ones you use because
we really need to know.
yeah, Riley especially. We don't need 60. We don't even know this brand yet. We need to become familiar with her. You've never had to do this? Do you have sisters?
That's a surprise. Pesticides.
Yeah, there's pesticides in tampons.
Why?
Sorry I had to put you through that.
Yeah, I'm scarred completely. I want JoJo ones. I want Toy Story ones.
I want the Peppa Pig ones.
Yeah, you can have Peppa Pig.
Why are they covered in poop?
Those are pigs, they roll in the mud.
Imagine being so rich that you like bought
Yeah,
those
like
Band-Aids.
these ones have like clothes on them. Like they're like clothing. Like content.
Comfy covers.
Okay, we have to leave now.
Imagine being so rich when you get hurt, you apply your bravery wall.
I want to know, since when is nail clippers a first aid tool?
Since when is nail clippers oops equipment?
I gotta go.
You're gonna have kids in 20 years being like, ow, mom, I slipped at the pool. Can I have my waterproof bravery badges? This is literally a pillow. It looks nicer than the pillow I sleep with.
Love you, Jojo.
Love you, Joj.
Why is this on them?
Ew!
Who is this is real? Who is he? This is me when my hair is bleached, and this is you with your blonde, with your purple wig. That's us. That's literally us. Kind of like in the trash. Like what is this?
Yeah.
That's literally the trash.
Should we adopt them? Let's adopt. We're giving you a home, buddy. We're giving you a home. So it's a little bit later. We just got back from Target and we're about to film a video for Riley's channel in the office. I got some things from Target. I guess I can do a little Target haul. Target haul.
Target haul.
I said it's a Target haul.
It's a Target haul.
Oh, this is good lighting.
Really?
Damn. Oh. That's nice. What is up, guys? It's Ava. Today we're doing a Target haul. This lighting.
It's beautiful. I want to be beautiful.
Get in there.
Honey, do you want to be beautiful?
Get in the
Honey
beauty
wants to be
light.
beautiful.
Stretch it out. Stretch it out.
Yeah.
Good girl. Stretch it out. Good girl. Oil absorbing sheets. Wow, okay, sorry, this is disgusting. We've tried it, we've tested it, they work. I then got some simple cleansing wipes. We got some pads from a brand called Rail and some tampons from, this doesn't really have a brand, it just says organic cotton tampons. There's like no brand. L, that might be the brand,
Period.
L. I thought that meant large. Then we got toothpaste.
Hello.
Fluoride free because we're not trying to die slowly. We got aluminum free deodorant because we don't want to die slowly through our armpits.
No.
We got Band-Aids for our Doc Martens.
Yep.
We got a zucchini
The best one.
wrapped in plastic, so that's...
Oh, great.
And then last but not least, we adopted
Us.
us. This is Riley, this is me.
Oh my god. That's so cute.
We should put these out in the front yard. And that is the Target haul.
Target haul.
Now we're gonna film a video for Riley's channel.
And it's gonna be good.
And then we're gonna cook some dinner. Come along into the pantry with Riley.
Ham to you.
All eyes on me in the club. See 'em all looking at me, fiending to touch. Top dollar.